Buying your home will be one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, but there are so many benefits of being a homeowner. How do you know if now is the right time for you to rent versus buy? Hi, I'm Maureen Landis with Landis Properties at Pearson Smith Realty in Ashburn, Virginia. If you are near us and you have more questions, I'd love it if you reached out, landisproperties.com. If not, reach out to someone in your area like a mortgage lender or real estate agent that you trust. And either way, follow us on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube for more information about real estate. Signs it's best to rent. You plan to live in the area for less than 2 years. You want to stay flexible. You need to rebuild your credit or start your credit history. You're saving money for a down payment. These are all really great reasons to rent. Reasons it's best to buy. You plan to stay in the area for more than 2 years. You want the ability to customize your home. You're looking to save money with tax deductions and also build equity, and you want to make an investment in your future. Again, I'm Maureen Landis with Landis Properties, and we'll see you next time. Step 5, celebrate after closing. You're going to go to closing, you're going to sign all the paperwork, keep that paperwork in a special